everyone! Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast, where learning grammar becomes simple, fun, and exciting. I am Emily.
And I am George. Today, we are going to solve one of the biggest mysteries in English grammar.
Yes, the mystery that makes many learners say, why are there so many words like can, could, may, might, should, must, and would? How do I know which one to use?
Exactly. These little words are called modal verbs, and many students feel confused when using them.
But don't worry, today we are going to remove that confusion forever. We will explore all uses of modal verbs with examples, conversations, situations, and some fun moments. By the end of this episode, you will understand modal verbs like a confident English speaker. So grab your notebook, relax, and let's begin our journey into the world of modal verbs. First, Emily, let's start with the basic question. What exactly are modal verbs? Modal verbs are special helping verbs that show ideas like ability, possibility, permission, advice, necessity, and more.
So they don't just show actions?
Exactly. They add a meaning to the main verb.
For example?
I swim means I have the ability to swim, but I can swim focuses on my ability.
So can changes the meaning?
Right. Modal verbs are small words, but they have powerful meanings.
The common modal verbs are can, could, may, might, must, should, shall, will, would.
We also have semi-modals like have to, need to, and ought to, but today we will focus mainly on modal verbs.
Let's begin with the most famous modal verb, can.
Can has many uses. The first use is ability.
Example, I can drive.
This means I have the ability to drive.
Negative, I cannot drive.
Or we can say, I can't drive.
Can also talks about possibility.
Example, it can rain in the evening.
Meaning,
It is possible that rain happens.
can also be used for permission.
Yes. Can I use your phone?
That means I am asking permission.
In casual conversations, can is very common.
Like, can I join you?
Exactly.
Let's imagine a normal day.
Okay.
A friend says, can you help me?
That is a request.
Another person says, yes, I can help you.
That shows ability.
So one word can have different meanings depending on the situation.
That is the key idea with modal verbs.
Now let's talk about could.
Could is the past form of can, but it has more uses.
First, past ability.
Example, when I was young, I could run very fast.
Meaning,
I had the ability in the past.
could also makes polite requests.
Yes. Could you open the window?
This sounds more polite than can you open the window?
Correct.
Could also shows possibility.
Example, we could visit the museum tomorrow.
Meaning,
It is one possible plan.
many students confuse can and could.
Let's make it simple. Can equals present ability or casual request.
Could equals past ability, polite request, or possible idea.
Example, can you help me? Normal request.
Could you help me?
More polite.
Now we move to may.
May is often used for permission and possibility.
Permission example. May I come in?
This is a formal way to ask permission.
Possibility. It may snow tomorrow.
Meaning, there is a chance of snow.
So may is about possibility.
Yes.
What about might?
Might also shows possibility, but usually a weaker possibility.
Example. I might go to the party.
Meaning, maybe I will go, maybe not.
Compare. It may rain.
There is a good chance.
It might rain.
There is a smaller chance.
This is another confusing area.
Remember, may equals stronger possibility. Might equals weaker possibility.
Example. She may call you.
Maybe she will call.
She might call you.
There is a possibility, but I am less sure.
Now let's talk about must.
Must is a strong modal verb.
It shows necessity,
Example, you must wear a seatbelt.
meaning it is necessary.
Must also shows strong advice,
You must watch this movie.
meaning I strongly recommend it.
Must can also show logical conclusion.
Example, the lights are off. They must be sleeping.
We are making a guess based on evidence. What about must not?
Must not means prohibition.
Example,
You must enter this room.
meaning it is not allowed.
Important. Must not is different from don't have to.
Exactly. Now, our helpful friend should.
Should is mainly used for advice.
Example, you should drink more water.
It is good advice.
Should also talks about expectations,
Example, the bus should arrive soon.
meaning I expect it.
The negative form is should not or shouldn't.
Example, you shouldn't stay up too late.
That means it is not a good idea.
Now, let's discuss will.
Will talks about future.
Example, I will call you tomorrow.
It is a future action.
Will can also show promises
I will help you.
and decisions made at the moment.
Example, I'm tired. I will rest.
Would is another important modal.
Would has many uses.
First, polite requests.
Would you like some tea?
That sounds very polite.
Would also talks about imaginary situations.
Example, I would travel the world if I had enough time.
It is not real now, but imagined.
What about shall?
Shall is more formal today.
Example, shall we start?
It is used for suggestions.
What about might?
Might also shows possibility, but usually a weaker possibility.
Emily, are there rules for modal verbs?
Yes.
Tell us.
After a modal verb, use the base form of the verb.
Example, I can swim.
Not, I can swims.
I should study.
Not, I should studied.
Modal verbs do not change with he, she, or it.
Exactly.
He can play.
Not, he cans play.
Let's discuss common mistakes.
Mistake number 1, using to after a modal.
Example, I can to go.
Wrong.
Correct, I can go.
Mistake number 2, adding s.
He must leave.
Wrong.
He must leave. Let's test our listeners.
Great idea.
Choose the correct modal. I dash speak 3 languages.
Answer, I can speak 3 languages.
Next, you dash see a doctor if you feel sick.
Answer, you should see a doctor.
Next, it dash rain tonight.
Answer, it might rain tonight.
Emily, let's make a small conversation using many modal verbs.
Sure.
Can you join me for dinner?
Sorry, I can't today, but I might come tomorrow.
Okay, you should come because it will be fun.
I would love to, but I must finish my work first.
Perfect. Notice how many modal verbs we use naturally? Today we learned that modal verbs are not scary.
They are tools that help us express ideas clearly.
Can shows ability.
Could shows past ability, polite requests, and possibility.
May and might show possibility.
Must shows necessity.
Should gives advice.
Will talks about future.
Would shows polite language and imaginary situations.
And shall is used for suggestions.
Wow, what an amazing journey through modal verbs.
Yes, now you know that modal verbs are not confusing. They are simply ways to express different meanings.
Practice them in daily conversations, and soon they will become natural.
Before you leave, if you enjoyed this English lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, click the subscribe button and join our learning family.
Also, give this episode a like because your support helps us create more useful English lessons.
And share this podcast with your friends, classmates, and anyone who wants to improve their English.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
We will meet again in the next episode with another exciting English topic.
Until then, goodbye, everyone.
Bye. Keep speaking English.